Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to unhide photos from private album on Samsung Galaxy smartphones. Let's first open the gallery on the smartphone, then let's open the menu and let's go to private album. Let's unlock it with the fingerprint, select the photo that we want to remove from the private album and then tap this icon to move the item from your private album to internal storage and to make it public again, or at least visible in the general gallery. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.